Today we're going to be making a traditional French almond and pear tart. In a food processor, combine the following ingredients on screen until dough comes together into a ball. Roll out the dough until large enough to line a 20cm loose base tart tin. Line the tin with pastry, prick the base with a fork, and then line the pastry with baking paper. Fill with dry beans, and then bake in a preheated oven to 220 degrees for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, whisk 150 grams of chopped softened butter with 150 grams of caster sugar. Whisk in 3 eggs until combined. Whisk in 150 grams of almond meal until combined. Add a generous pour of cognac or pear liquor or brandy and whisk until combined. Add 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour and stir until combined. Meanwhile, reduce the oven to 180 degrees Celsius in preparation for cooking the tart filling. Fill the tart tin with the almond mixture and then top with a sliced pear. We used 1½ large pears and sprinkled with 2 tablespoons of flaked almonds. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until golden and set. And then just look at how good that cross section of the tart is. Serve with your favorite cup of tea or a glass of brandy and enjoy on a leisurely afternoon.